Hello there guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some worms. So roll your clay up, put that to the side, and if you want to use your pencil to make it very good, like very better, you just need to work with it here for a bit. Very hard. It's just like Play-Doh when you're playing with it. It's just pretty fun when you're then. If it's falling apart like that, no worries. Just collecting all the clay. If you might want to use the pasta machine to make it faster, that's fine, but I'm just doing it with my hands. If you don't have a pasta machine, that's fine, completely fine. Then you can use your fingers. Then, second of all, you would want to work with it. Oh no, it's coming apart. Ba, 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 ba. So I'm just rolling it here so you can make it like a worm. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, we're gonna make a worm today. You would want to pinch the side so you can, and I'll tell you what the pencil is for if you didn't know. So this is the interesting bit. So you can stuck it on the table, on your work surface. Then you can, and let me just get some brown. Oh, that's chocolate. And I'm just curving it around a pencil. So we're going to continue with it. So if you want to roll up some balls for the eyes, if you want some eyes, and I'm going to use brown. You can, for the eyes, you can use any color what you want. And you can take the pencil off if you can. Or you just want to keep it on the pencil. Then you can have like your pet snake and you can play with it if you have some clay, or you can make it of something else. And there we have it, the cute little snake.